Okay, today we're going to install upfitter switches into a 2016 F-350. This is the kit. You have to be able to pop out the dash pieces. I've already loosened them up. You take this piece out. That's where your switches will go. This is a brake controller. It has to come out of the way. There is a pocket here that comes out of the way. This is going to allow you to get access to put it up through the dash to where the switches go. A lot of people say you have to remove this whole centerpiece, but you don't. You can actually snake it through there going this way with it. The other piece you have to remove is out here on the outside edge. You pull that out. You want to do this with a plastic tool to keep from marring anything so you don't make marks on it. You can get these plastic tools, Harbor Freight. Most auto parts stores have them. Anyway, use plastic to keep from tearing it up. The relays are going to go right here. Is where they bolt up, and then you'll snake all the wire through the dash to the switch. And then up under this dash somewhere there is an actual factory plug. I'll locate it and show you where it's at, and that's where the end of this harness plugs into. And then you have to ground it also. It's got a ground lug on it here, but I'll show you where all that goes. Just something else you might want to do too is they don't give you much wire. This is the wire that comes off the back side of it for whatever you're going to hook to it. But once you get this up under the dash, it is not going to give you much room. So I'm going to go ahead and take the time and add me a little wire to it while I can get to it really easy. I suggest you do the same because it is really going to be hard to get to it later. Okay, so I've added the wires to it, and you can see I like the heat shrink connectors, but that gives you about a foot. That should be sufficient. Okay, I extended the wires out. You can see up here where I terminated all of them and taped them up. Anyway, taped it up kind of like a factory wire and terminated the ends of them. When I get it in there, I'll make a loop and put it up under the dash. Also, it doesn't come with screws, so you're going to need to find you a couple of screws to mount this with, and also a couple of small washers. That's about it. Let me get it stuck in there and I'll show you how it goes. All right, there it is. That's how it goes in there, and it's got two bolts, one at the top you can see up there, and there's one at the bottom you can also see. And it comes out, and I extended my leads so I can get to them, make it real easy for the upfitting stuff. And then the line goes across, and it comes out behind that, and then it goes across, comes up through there, and then it goes into the upfitter switches. But that's it. They all work. Wasn't too awful hard. Getting the screws in the relay box was harder than the rest of it. So anyway, I put the panels back on, and that's it. Hope this helps somebody.